Hi everyone, Crafty Sensei here. Today I'm going to make a martial arts bracelet. So this one's going to be a little bit different. The focus is going to be. So what you'll need is both the bent and needle nose pliers. You'll need the chain to extend the bracelet. Possibly you could cut your faux suede a little too short, which I have been known to do. So you'll need some faux suede. You'll need a ring, a martial arts charm. For this one, you can use any type of charm. You'll need some jump rings, a lobster claw, your end fittings, and some scissors to cut the suede. So I've already gone ahead and cut my faux suede here. So what I did was, my wrist is 7 inches. So what I cut out was 13, I took an inch off it, so I did it in 13 inches. And then I cut those pieces in half, okay? So we got about 6.5 inches on each one. And all you're gonna do, this is really, really easy bracelet to make. As you can tell with my projects, I like to make things that are really easy, that everybody can do. So all you're gonna do is fold that piece again in half. You're gonna go under and up through your jump ring or through your ring. And all I'm going to do is make that loop on top, and I'm going to take my end pieces and put them through the hole, up through, make it nice and tight. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to do the same thing here, is fold it in half. And make sure you get it relatively close. You want them to be the same length, because you don't want to have to cut it anymore if you don't have to. So up through the hole, pull that through, give it a nice pull. And the reason why today I'm focusing on martial art theme is my husband and I run a martial arts club, and we have a jiu-jitsu and a karate club. So in jiu-jitsu, I'm a 3rd degree black belt, and in karate, I am a 1st degree black belt. So I am using black to symbolize my black belt, and I'm using a martial art charm. I thought it'd be really cute to go if we ever go out with the group, and they could see the bracelet that I made. And where it's martial arts themed focused, it's pretty cute. So I'm just gonna cut that off. I'm really like to have it pretty close and you know, within length, that they're pretty even. They're a little tiny bit off, but that's okay. I'll give it another little cut. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do my end fitting so I can just have this piece done and that they don't start, you know, slipping and sliding everywhere. So there you go. You just put your end fitting on the end of the pieces there. And what I do is I just lightly put some weight down so that it's a little bit, that the claws are going into the faux suede so it doesn't jump around as much. And then I just give it, once I have it in the right spot, I give it a squeeze. And because my strength is stronger on this side, on the inside of the pliers, I like to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So there we go. Not quite centered in there, but that's all right. So let's check this side. That one's a little uneven as well. I could have played with that when I first put them on, but that's all right. So we go here. So you do the same thing on the other side. That looks about right. Flip it over. There we go. So there is a difference between the front and the back that I like to use. So the front will have this piece of material going across. So I think it just adds a little bit of dimension or whatever to the bracelet. So there we go. That's the first thing. So let's continue on with the end pieces here. So I'm going to take one of my jump rings. I already have them open. And what we'll do is we'll fit it on to the end there. And I'm going to put my lobster claw on it as well. And I could have used the little ring that's already on the lobster claw, but I like to keep my jump rings relatively the same. So you can choose whatever way you like. Now the jump rings I just got from Michael's, so you can get them at your, use your coupon. Make sure you use your 40% off coupon. But you can get jump rings at pretty much any craft store. So that's that. So let's go over to the other side. Take the other jump ring. My nails are turning black from the faux suede. Oop, lost my jump ring. There we go. I have recovered the jump ring. Okay, so let's put the other one on. Put the chain on. Now let's close it up. Just quick and easy. Remember, it's just twist in this way. You're not pulling apart, you're just going up and down with it. We call in the martial arts dual forces. You're pulling on one and pushing on the other. All right, so there you go. All we're going to do is take another jump ring, put it through the larger jump ring. Okay, and where I have this piece as my top, with the where it crosses over, I am going to put my martial art charm up so that the wording is facing up. So then I just close this charm up, and that's it. Your bracelet is done. So all we do is put it on like so. Now it's a little hard to put it on by yourself. However, let's see if we can get it on here. So with this, I mean, if this is a martial art thing for you, I got the charms on eBay. I'm pretty sure that's where I got them. And there we go. You could use any, if you're a blue belt or yellow belt, green belt, brown belt, you can use any color, colors of the rainbow. So you can see that it doesn't matter. You can change the length of your bracelet so that it fits everybody. And there you go. Isn't that cute?